We're pulling up at Iron Ranch Auto Parts at the junkyard, y'all. Yeah! Hey, yo, welcome back to the channel. Instead of just getting the engine, we bought the whole car, so we here to pick it up now. They about to bring it over here, so we gonna get that. We waiting on him to bring it. Well, that ain't it right there that he bringing, but what is it? Is that the car?
Yeah.
You gotta get back a little bit, y'all. I am. Get it on there. Okay.
You ain't seen it in a minute. That's what that is.
Is that what it is? Yeah, yeah, it looked like another color. He gonna push it up. You got to push it up there, y'all. Is it rolling? Ooh. You can come over some more, baby. Hold on. Come over some? Yeah, you come. Come on. All right, straighten it up. Okay. You want to come on up? You need to come up a little bit more. Yeah, you come up.
Yeah.
Go over this way, baby. Turn over that way.
I'm already close enough over there.
Oh, okay. Well, come over. Turn it this way. That should be good, right?
All right.
We got 3 minutes. Hey, little doggy. Hey. Say hey. As long as you don't bite me, you want to be on the camera too? All right, y'all. So we done picked this up. So we gonna take the engine out of this one and put it in the one we got at the house, that white one, and probably, I guess, use some parts, sell some parts off of it. Anybody want some? Y'all drop it in the comments. I'll send it to you. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. We got both the cars here now.
Yeah.
But when we come back here, we still ain't got no battery in here, so.
And don't.
That means when nothing going to the computer or none of that. So.
Nothing? What's in that box?
What? I don't know. Don't say that.
Oh, that ain't nothing but a glove box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put a battery in here.
Fire up. Yeah.
Fire it up. So we got this battery over here right now. Charging. We're gonna try to put this one in here real quick. And then
We got them lined up. You know what I'm saying?
yep, we're gonna take the
dirty.
engine out of this one and put in this one. Cause this one got a blown head gasket.
I thought we was
So we're
playing.
just gonna put an engine in this here. Got 100,000 miles less than this one. So we're gonna see what it do, y'all.
And we gonna see.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. Stop. Yep.